Sponsored by
कब्ज और उससे संबंधित तकलीफों का समाधान, बैद्यनाथ कब्ज आहार दे, कब्ज में आराम, प्राकृतिक और सुरक्षित।
As the tensions in the South China Sea escalated, the Philippines on Tuesday accused China of carrying out dangerous maneuvers resulting in coalition between the Coast Guard ships of the two countries. The incident, which occurred while Manila was conducting a resupply mission for troops in the South China Sea, caused minor structural damage to the Philippian vessel, leaving 4 Filipinos with minor injuries. In retaliation to China's ill activities, the Philippines summoned China's Deputy Chief of Mission in Manila on Tuesday to protest what it called aggressive actions by Chinese naval forces. Meanwhile, China on Wednesday accused the United States of putting the Philippines as a pawn to stir up tensions in the South China Sea. Taking to the microblogging platform X, Philippines Coast Guard spokesperson Jay Terilla stated that China's reckless and illegal actions led to a coalition and added video clips showing the moment the ships scrapped each other's bows. The Chinese Coast Guard vessels used water cannons, damaging the windshield of the boat and resulting in minor injuries to at least 4 crew members. The PCG vessel was among 2 Coast Guard ships aiding in a mission to deliver supplies for a small group of Filipino soldiers stationed on a warship that Manila deliberately grounded on the Second Thomas Shoal in 1999 to bolster territorial claims. On the other hand, the Chinese Coast Guard stated that Philippine boats unlawfully entered waters near the shoal called Rainy Reef, forcing Beijing to implement control measures. Chinese actions were also condemned by the United States. US Ambassador to Manila Mary Kay Carlson wrote on X that the US stands with the Philippines in support of a free and open Indo-Pacific region. China asserts control over the majority of the South China Sea, including the Second Thomas Shoal, home to a few Filipino troops. Beijing has stationed Chinese vessels in the areas for patrolling purposes, which the Philippines refers to as Chinese maritime militias. These groups were also present during the resupply mission. Tuesday's incident marks the latest escalation in the year-long territorial dispute which continues in the South China Sea despite a 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration which found that China's claims had no legal basis. Beijing rejects that ruling.